Yo, I'm kind of hungry.
Yeah, I can eat.
Yeah, what do you want to eat?
Low-key, I'm kind of feeling a double bacon cheeseburger.
Yo, ain't no way you just said double bacon cheeseburger, huh? You trying to go to McDonald's and get a chocolate milkshake too, huh?
I would love to, but I'm gonna be busy this weekend doing my math homework so I can get the A+. Don't know what that was. Sorry about that.
Bro, you shouldn't be embarrassed of
Who you are? You are the dragon warrior. You want the fried rice with the arrow, only $2. You want a meow meow.
Yo, bro, where do you want to go and eat?
Wherever, man, wherever.
Come on, suggest some places. Don't be like that.
I don't know, man. Maybe we could go to KFC or McDonald's.
McDonald's! Why are you running?
Kilo Day, Kilo Day.
Babatunde, where is my chicken?
Here's your test. Yo, let's go, bro.
Wait, what? What'd you get?
I just got 100% up. 100% up? Wow, man, positive achievement. Holy crap, a nice accent.